Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add image in CapCut PC, and this is basic tutorial, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So after you download the CapCut app, you can open the apps and select media, select local, and import your videos, audios, photos. So for example, you can add images, select edit, and just add to the track one by one, or you can add a multiples images. Just select the images and drag to the track, right, like so. And you can add the image to the main track and add another image as an overlay, put on top, like this. So that's how you can add image in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please like the comment section below.